सब लोग यहाँ पर सुन लें। ये जो वीडियो है इसको आज हम एक मैसेज भेजेंगे, तो उसको क्या है, उस मैसेज में एक कोड दिया रहेगा। उस कोड के थ्रू तुम क्या है ये वीडियो एक्सेस कर सकते हो, so that you will come to know by my message, so you can see that message. Now pivoted coil galvanometer, I am going to explain you pivoted coil galvanometer. देख लो, pivoted coil galvanometer, its principle is same, but here there are some constructional changes. And what are those constructional changes and what are the advantages and disadvantages? So what is one advantage in suspended coil galvanometer? You have seen that firstly you record the value of phi. पहले हम क्या रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ डिफ्लेक्शन, that how much deflection has been suffered by the coil, and then we record the current. मतलब हमको डायरेक्टली करंट नहीं मिल रही है, हम क्या रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं? फाई की वैल्यू को रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं कि कॉइल कितना डिफ्लेक्ट हुई, एंड देन बाय यूजिंग दिस फार्मूला C अपॉन N AB अप इनटू फाई वी कैलकुलेट द करंट. इट्स क्लियर. बट इन द pivoted coil galvanometer directly we will get the current in milliamperes. We will get direct value of current. There is no need of doing any type of calculation. This is one advantage of pivoted coil galvanometer. Number two, in the pivoted coil galvanometer, coil is not suspending. Coil is not suspending. It is pivoted in between two magnetic pole pieces. It is pivoted in between two magnetic pole pieces. Here you can see it is pivoted. Everything is same. Here central part of galvanometer is same. It is pivoted in between two pivots. This is one pivot and this is the another pivot. The coil is fixed in between two pivots. It's clear. And when the coil has fixed in between two pivots, ये suspended नहीं है. Suspended होती तो क्या होती? ये हिलती रहती. And coil जब हिलेगी, then what will happen? When it is suspending, then what will happen? It may oscillate. It is requiring perfect horizontal arrangement. Otherwise, it will come in touch of these magnetic pole pieces. सस्पेंडेड कॉइल गैल्वेनोमीटर में परफेक्ट हॉरिजॉन्टल अरेंजमेंट चाहिए, अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन? कॉइल विल कम इन टच ऑफ दीज मैग्नेटिक पोल पीसेज. व्हेन इट विल कम इन टच ऑफ दीज मैग्नेटिक पोल पीसेज, व्हाट विल हैपन? इट्स वर्किंग विल बी ऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड. Its working will be obstructed. But here there is no such arrangement is required because the coil is pivoted in between magnetic pole pieces. ये दो पिवोट्स के बीच में क्या है? पिवोटेड है, फिक्स है. तो तुम चाहे इसको ऐसे कर दो या कुछ वो कर दो, इट विल नेवर कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक पोल पीसेज. हम पूरे इंस्ट्रूमेंट को पलट भी दे, व्हाट विल हैपन? इट इज फिक्स्ड इन बिटवीन दीज टू पिवोट्स. It is fixed in between these two pivots. Therefore, there is no chance of coming the contact of coil with the magnetic pole pieces. This is the second advantage. But because of this, it becomes less sensitive. ये इसकी सेंसिटिविटी कम हो जाती है. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर कुछ फ्रिक्शन होगा. Because of more rotational torque will be required to deflect it. So what will happen? It will become less sensitive. There is one more advantage. There is, instead of this plane mirror, there is a pointer attached with the coil. Pointer is attached with the coil, and this pointer moves over a scale which is graduated in milliampere. This is 0, this is 1 ampere, 1 milliampere, 2 milliampere, 3 milliampere. Here also it can deflect in both the direction. It is a central zero galvanometer. galvanometer center 0 is at the center. So see here, in pivoted coil galvanometer, coil is fixed in between two pivots. What is the advantage of this? In this, no perfect horizontal arrangement is required as required in suspended coil galvanometer. Here you can keep the galvanometer in any way. Number two, here it gives direct value of current. Here no need to record the magnitude of deflection, you will get directly the value of current. But here it is less sensitive. Now one more thing, how will you produce the restoring torque? Restoring torque, opposing torque is produced by hair springs. Here one hair spring is this and another hair spring is this. When current will pass with the T1 and T2 will act as the terminals, and these horizontal springs will produce the restoring torque. These horizontal spring, one is here, other is here, will produce the restoring torque. Now what will happen when current will pass with the help of these terminals T1 and T2, it is connected in the circuit. When current will pass through the coil, what will happen? There will be a deflecting torque. When current will pass through the coil, there will be a deflecting torque. एक deflecting torque इस पर act करेगा. It is clear? When the deflecting torque will act upon it, the turns of this hair spring, it is hair spring. Turns of this hair spring will get twisted, and when the turns of the spring will get twisted, restoring couple will produce, which will keep on increasing. When restoring torque will become equal to the deflecting torque, this coil will come to rest, and the pointer which rotate along with the rotation of coil, pointer which rotate on this scale along with the rotation of coil will also come to the rest position, and we will record the direct value of current. So this is the pivoted coil galvanometer. It is clear? Here pointer will rotate along with the rotation of the coil. It is clear? And we will get the direct value of that exact value of current. So this is all about the galvanometer. So you go through this, and then tomorrow I will tell the other things in this chapter. So thank you. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
कौन बोल रहा है आज? Now listen here.